Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to stop your birthday from showing up on Telegram web using the latest update. If you use Telegram on your PC and want to keep your personal details private, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Telegram web. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. That's your main menu. Click on those lines to open the sidebar. Next, from the list of options, click on Settings. This is where you can manage your account preferences, profile details, and privacy controls. Inside the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Security. This section allows you to control who can see things like your phone number, last seen, and now your birthday information. Once you're in the Privacy and Security tab, scroll down until you find the Birthday Privacy option. Telegram recently added this feature, giving you more control over who can view your personal date of birth. Click on Birthday Privacy, and you'll see a few visibility options such as Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To completely hide your birthday from everyone, select Nobody. This ensures that your date of birth will no longer appear on your profile or to anyone in your contact list.